Hi and welcome back. Here we're going to be taking a look at the Nexus 4.5 drum sequencer. The sequencer basically plays all sorts of stuff, but we want to look at the drums here. Someone asked me in the comments, how do you program the drums? So what I've done is uploaded a sequence, as you can see here. So what I've done is played a note out for 4 bars, 8 bars. Okay, although it's only a small sequence. So if I go into the arpeggiator, you've got all the layers here, right? Let's go to layer 1 and figure out what it is. I think that's the kick, right? Now I think is the bass. So let me turn that off, the arpeggiator. So you can see it's not playing the sequence. The actual sound's playing, but the sequence is not playing. So you can hear the first note and then that's it. That's layer 10. So if I go to routing and turn off layer 10, you can hear it's gone. Okay, so if I go back to the arpeggiator and let's go to layer 1, and this is the kick. So if I take off this, with the right click it to take it off and then left click to put it back in. So we know that's the kick. Now what I'll do here is going to name that kick. So we know that's the kick. Okay, I'm going to go through all the layers and suss out what it is. I think that is a snare or a clap. Let me see. That's a clap, okay. So let's name that clap. Claps, okay. And then layer 3 is, so we know what that is. We'll put that as a hi-hat or ride or something, kick hi-hats, right? And then we got, to turn that off, then we've got a snare here, so I can just add stuff as I want here. Just put that as a snare. Okay, so let's put the kick back in, claps, turn these back on. Layer 7 is some kind of high percussion as well. So if I want to go into routing layer 7, I can actually solo this here. Now this is not on. So layer number 7 is a shaker. So we can hear here it was turned down. So let me put that as hi-hats as well. There's no shaker in there. Percussion, put it as a hi-hat so you can hear that. Got to go back to routing and take off the solo. Be a good idea. So obviously that was taken out for a reason. So you can just turn it on and off here. It's pretty cool. But anyway, we don't need that. So just keeping that really strong there, the beat. Then of course we've got a bass in there somewhere. Oh, here's the percussion as well. You hear that. So we can name that percussion as well. And then we've got the bass. I think this is the bass. So I can name that bass, or call that a sub bass maybe. Yeah, let's call that sub bass. And of course we can edit that the way we want to as well. Let's move that. You've got presets here as well. They can change them around a lot. So as you can see, that you can do loads of stuff with this. Go to the kick and just cut that out, cut some stuff out of that, you know. What I can do is double that up. Just have so this is how you edit it. It's just basically in the actual like you can go on forever and edit all the parts as you want. It's pretty simple. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and it was useful. If you did, like, subscribe, and I will be back soon. Ciao.